Hello guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can sync photos with beats on the CapCut PC. So as you guys can see here, I've already add pictures as along with the audio or music, and to sync the pictures with the music, you just need to first mark the beats on the audio. So just click on the audio or music, and then in here if you find a flag uh icon, this is the function or the feature that you can add beats into your audio or add the marks. So just I'm going to just use the auto beat to make it easier. And here you can choose between beat 1. Beat 1 is like this. The beats is marked with the yellow dot. Or you can also choose beat 2. Okay, you can see the beat 2 is more has more beats, like it has more marks. I'm going to just use the beat 1. Then to sync the photos, you can just click on the photos and okay, I'm going to make it big first. Adjust the duration of the photo with the mark right here. So I'm going to bring this line into the mark, to the yellow mark, and I'm going to crop the pictures to be the same with the beats. And you can just repeat the steps like this. Okay. And repeat the steps until you finish all of your photos. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and click on the thanks. Bye!